Hi, my name is Glenn Lasker. I'm the director of the Fit and Fun program for the foundation. And what the Fit and Fun program is all about, we get children together along with their parents. We go to a park or other venues throughout San Diego and we create movement. These children, it's all about movement and it's all about engaging with other children. I have children that come there and the first time they come to the event, they're a little reserved and they stand back a little bit, but after a while they get really comfortable and they start really moving around and playing all the games and playing with the balls and getting involved with the other children, engaging. I get the parents involved too. We play tug of war. It's a family thing. I've told this story once before and I think I'd like to tell it again. I did an event at a gymnastics center several years ago for the foundation. And we had about 45 children there. We had about 50 volunteers. We had probably 1 or 2 volunteers for each child almost. It was a fantastic, fun event. I took several photos of all the children, but I looked around and I saw all the bleachers that were set up in this big gymnastics center and I saw all the parents sitting there. And I wish I would have taken more photos of all the parents, because what I saw at that time was I saw a smile on the face of all these parents, knowing that their children were having such a fun time, engaged, playing with the other children. And I saw the parents sitting on the sideline with a big smile on their face, and they were so happy to see their children engaging and having a great time, and they could relax for a while, because the parents go through an awful lot. They work really hard, and they work with their children and close with their children and work with the school systems that they're involved in. So it was really a beautiful thing to see the parents with such a smile on their face. But anyways, the Fit and Fun program at Autism Tree Project Foundation, we hold that once a month. We go to a park in San Diego, Savita Park. And if not, we look for other venues that we can hold it at, and we'll continue that. I have parents come up to me each and every time they attend and I say, I've seen so much growth from my child. He's more engaging now than he was the first time he came, and that touches my heart. I know we're doing the right thing. So we'll continue doing that in the future. We hold it once a month. It's always listed on the Autism Tree Project Foundation website. So when you do see that, of course, please sign up, and I hope to see you attend at one of our Fit and Fun programs in the future. Thank you.